to stop just before the tracks, though. Because there's already, see, there's your white line. Stop right here before the tracks. Because there's no room for you on the other side. And if you didn't stop at the line, that thing there, I've seen that come down and hit, like it was the top of a van. And what we're doing here is we're going to continue making a right turn right down Ontario Street. So now we can go. There is a pedestrian here, so you want to just stop right here at the line again, keeping your right signal on. And she's attaining the curb almost. There we go. You didn't do anything wrong. I guess they just wanted you to run over the pedestrian or something. Crazy drivers in Sudbury.
Searching for